Gunpowder stands as one of humanity's most pivotal discoveries, fundamentally transforming warfare, excavation, and infrastructure development. Its creation represented a critical moment in technological advancement, catalyzing the emergence of handheld firearms and heavy artillery. But what precisely constitutes gunpowder, and what was the process behind its manufacture? In this video, we'll investigate the captivating chronicle and the complex methodology of producing this explosive compound that altered civilization's trajectory. So, let's explore the complete story thoroughly right here on Stories Behind Everything. To begin with, let's define what gunpowder is. Gunpowder, frequently referred to as black powder, represents a chemical compound comprising three essential components: saltpeter, charcoal, and sulfur. Each element fulfills a vital function in the explosive chemical reaction triggered upon ignition. Saltpeter, scientifically known as potassium nitrate, operates as the oxidizing agent, supplying necessary oxygen to sustain combustion. Charcoal functions as the combustible material, while sulfur reduces the ignition threshold and amplifies the explosion's overall potency. Achieving the optimal proportion of these constituents proves absolutely critical for manufacturing functional gunpowder, and the methodology for blending them possesses an extensive and remarkable heritage. The genesis of gunpowder traces back to ancient China, where it emerged approximately during the 9th century throughout the Tang Dynasty period. Alchemists pursuing immortality through the legendary elixir of life accidentally discovered this explosive composition. Initially, gunpowder served purposes in pyrotechnic displays and as propulsion for rudimentary armaments, including bombs and projectile rockets. Understanding of gunpowder gradually disseminated along the Silk Road toward the Middle Eastern territories and European lands, where craftsmen modified and enhanced it for battlefield implementation. By the concluding years of the 14th century, gunpowder became fundamental to military operations, catalyzing the creation of cannons and handheld firearms. To comprehend gunpowder's manufacturing process, we must initially examine its constituent elements. Saltpeter, the principal ingredient, exists in naturally occurring mineral deposits or can be synthesized through chemical procedures. During ancient periods, it was frequently extracted from decomposing organic substances like animal waste, which contains abundant nitrate concentrations. Charcoal, conversely, is manufactured by combusting timber in oxygen-depleted conditions, a technique termed pyrolysis. This generates a featherweight, permeable material that ignites rapidly and productively. Finally, sulfur can be extracted directly from geological sources, commonly discovered in volcanic territories, or manufactured through burning specific compounds. After obtaining the ingredients, the subsequent phase involves combining them in accurate proportions. Conventional formulas require roughly 75% saltpeter, 15% charcoal, and 10% sulfur calculated by mass. Attaining this exact ratio remains vital, since even marginal variations can substantially influence the gunpowder's effectiveness. The blending procedure typically necessitates pulverizing each component into fine particles, utilizing a mortar and pestle or mechanical grinding apparatus. This expands the particle surface area, enabling superior interaction and more uniform combustion. Following grinding, the components undergo a procedure called incorporation. This can be executed through dry or wet techniques. The dry approach involves meticulously combining the powders together, guaranteeing even distribution without introducing dampness. The wet technique, however, requires moistening the blend with water or alcohol, which prevents unintentional ignition throughout the mixing operation. Once the components are completely integrated, they're permitted to dehydrate before undergoing granulation into standardized particles. Granulation represents an essential phase in gunpowder manufacturing. The objective is producing diminutive, uniform grains that promote even combustion and enhance manageability. To accomplish this, the dehydrated blend passes through a sieve or screening device, fragmenting it into granules of the preferred dimensions. These granules typically measure approximately 1 to 3 millimeters in diameter. The grain dimensions can influence the combustion velocity. Smaller grains typically ignite more swiftly, while larger grains combust more gradually, which can prove beneficial for particular applications. After granulation, the gunpowder frequently undergoes a process designated as corning, where it receives slight moistening and compression into compact blocks to generate larger granules. This procedure helps additionally stabilize the composition and can improve its performance upon ignition. The corned gunpowder then undergoes another drying cycle, ensuring complete moisture elimination, which could undermine its potency. Once the gunpowder achieves complete processing and drying, proper storage becomes mandatory to prevent unintentional detonation. Gunpowder exhibits extreme sensitivity to thermal energy, sparks, and mechanical friction, requiring storage in sealed containers positioned away from sunlight exposure and heat-generating sources. Historically, gunpowder occupied wooden barrels or metallic containers, frequently positioned in isolated storage facilities to reduce explosion hazards during accidents. Safety has perpetually constituted a paramount consideration in gunpowder manufacturing and management. Numerous historical occurrences of unintentional explosions prompted implementation of more rigorous regulations and safety measures. Personnel engaged in the production process routinely implemented precautions, including wearing protective equipment and following strict operational procedures to diminish accident probability. The influence of gunpowder on civilization and military conflict proves immeasurable. Its emergence revolutionized combat strategies, making conventional fortified structures and armored cavalry ineffective. The advancement of firearms, artillery, and explosive mechanisms permanently transformed warfare's character. Beyond battlefield applications, gunpowder discovered utility in excavation, infrastructure development, and the entertainment sector, particularly pyrotechnics. Reflecting upon gunpowder's chronicle, we recognize how this straightforward combination of ingredients revolutionized human society. It created pathways toward progress in armaments, geographical discovery, and industrial development, sculpting the contemporary world. The creation of gunpowder represents a captivating exploration, interweaving chemistry, historical development, and technological innovation. From its ancient Chinese beginnings to its decisive influence in establishing modern military practices, gunpowder has imprinted an everlasting legacy upon civilization. Comprehending its components, manufacturing techniques, and societal impact provides us enhanced appreciation for this explosive discovery. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you proper recognition for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this exploration through stories behind everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories discovered through the smallest details.